Hey guys, please watch my video till end because the quality content which I will provide you in or less than 3 minutes will be priceless and very useful to you. It might change your life, so I don't think you will skip my video. So let's start the powerful video. Running is a very popular way to work out, and for a good reason. Running is not only one of the easiest ways to get exercise, but it also costs little and doesn't require much tools. Running is also easy to do and has many positive effects on your physical and mental health. You can improve your heart health, build strength, make your bones stronger, boost your confidence, and make you feel better. Point 1. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. With all of these and more benefits, it makes sense to want to run every day to get the most out of the sport. But is that what you really want? The science of what happens to your body when you run every day is explained below, so you can decide what's best for you. Why running every day is a good idea. Running is a great workout for your whole body, from your head to your toes. Here are some of the good things that can happen if you run regularly, even every day. Running every day is good for your body and mind. Great for the health of your heart. Strengthens muscles and bones. May improve how well you run. May affect bone mass in a good way. Helps keep your weight steady. Stress and worry are eased. Improves your happiness, self-esteem, and confidence. Benefits for your body. Running is one of the best and easiest aerobic workouts for your heart health that you can do. As you run, your heart rate goes up, pumping more blood, oxygen, and nutrients to your muscles that are working hard. Your heart and lungs get stronger over time, which lets your heart pump more blood each time it beats. As your heart health gets better, you may find that you can run faster and more quickly, and you may even feel less out of breath than when you first started. In fact, it is well known that running is good for your heart and lowers your risk of dying. Point 2. Running also helps improve cardiometabolic health by lowering blood sugar, cholesterol, and blood pressure. Studies have shown that running lowers blood pressure and raises HDL cholesterol, also known as the good cholesterol. Both of these effects help to lower the risk of chronic disease as a whole. Point 3. Running is also a great way to build strength because it works a lot of different muscle groups, including your core, upper body, and lower body. Running can help you build muscle, get stronger, and last longer because it gives you enough calories and protein to keep up with your level of exercise. In fact, some of the muscles in your core and hips are stabilizers. Getting stronger in these muscles can help you run better and reduce your risk of getting hurt. Point 4. Running can be a good way to help you lose weight if that is one of your goals. Weight loss is a complicated process, but increasing the amount of energy you use is known to be a factor. Point 5. Running is an effective way to burn calories, so it can help you lose or keep the same amount of weight if you also eat less. Running is good for everything, even your bones. This high-impact exercise puts stress on your bones, which makes them lay down more minerals and get stronger. Running also makes more of the hormones parathyroid hormone and calcitriol, which tell the body to make more bone cells. Point 6. Studies show that running makes young players' bones have more minerals. Point 7. Running long distances is also good for your bone mineral mass as you get older. One study showed that older people who ran long distances kept their bone mineral mass. Benefits for mental health. Running is good for your physical health, but it's also good for your mental health in a lot of ways. Going for a run outside is a great way to release stress and worry. One study showed that many people with depression and anxiety problems can get better with antidepressants or running therapy. Point 9. Running can also improve your happiness, your sense of self-worth, and your confidence. Also, the runner's high that many people feel is caused by beta endorphins being released by the brain. Beta endorphins are thought to play a key role in neurogenesis in the hippocampus. Point 10. This makes you feel good after a run and is good for your brain in general, helping your memory and other brain functions. Running is also a very goal-driven sport, and it feels good to reach a goal, try something new, or do something we didn't think was possible. This helps you feel good about yourself, proud of what you've done, and useful. Everyday risks of running. There are risks that come with running every day. The sport is hard on your body and has a lot of impact. Like any workout, too much of it can be bad. Here are some things that could go wrong if you run every day. Risks to your body and mind when you run every day. More likely to get hurt. Pain, tiredness, and aches in the joints get worse. Possible mental wear and tear and tiredness. Chance of less drive. Risk of excessive behavior or getting hooked on exercise. If you run alone, there is a chance that it will hurt your body image and self-esteem and make you feel lonely. Risks to your body. Overuse injuries happen to a lot of runners. This can happen if they run too many miles in a week or if they increase their speed too quickly. Shin splints, plantar fasciitis, and Achilles tendonitis are all common problems caused by overuse. 11. New runners or runners who haven't run in a while might try to do too much too soon, so it's best to start with a less is more attitude and slowly build up your miles. Also, running can definitely leave you with sore muscles and tiredness the next day. Running on sore muscles is fine as long as it doesn't affect your movement or form. However, if your sore muscles make you adjust or change the way you normally run, you could get hurt. Remember that muscle growth and repair can only happen when you rest. When muscles rest, fibroblasts can fix the tiny tears in muscle tissue. This makes muscles tougher. 12. Plus, all that beating on your body may cause joint pain in the long run. Even though running isn't inherently bad for your joints, especially since they get stronger as they adapt to the load you put on them, running often can cause knee, hip, ankle, or foot pain because of muscle imbalances, bad form, or genetics. Changing the surface you run on and the kinds of exercises you do can help reduce hip pain and inflammation and help you run for longer. Like, share, subscribe and comment.